Hello! Today we're making kawaii strawberry cupcakes with Instant Pot strawberry jam filling. Get it? Strawberry Kuma cupcakes? If you're new to my channel, I'm Rox of Rockstar Bakes, and my passion is helping people make sweet treats. Let's get into it. So first, let's prepare our favorite vanilla cupcakes. I use Thrive's gluten-free almond cake mix. On the packaging, there is no mention of cupcake baking time, so I did 20 minutes, but every oven is different. Time for that easy Instant Pot strawberry jam. Clean, hull, and halve the strawberries. Add the strawberries, sugar, and fresh squeezed lemon into the Instant Pot and stir. Now close the lid and set the steam release knob into the sealing position. Set the pressure cook manual button to high for 2 minutes. Then allow it to release for 10 minutes. Open. The mix is super slushy, but have no worries. Into the Instant Pot goes the arrowroot flour water mixture. Like magic. Magic. To reduce the jam, press saute, let boil, and then turn off. Stir constantly until it's the desired thickness. If you don't have an Instant Pot, have no worries. Bring the strawberries, sugar, and lemon to a boil. Once boiled, add that arrowroot water mixture. Make sure it's smooth. Then let simmer for 30 to 40 minutes or until it's the desired thickness. Remember, when it's in the fridge, it will continue to thicken. For no sugar alternative filling, I've used my chia jam recipe, which I will link below. I removed the cupcake core with a piping tip to make room for the filling. Then I pipe my stiff Swiss meringue with a 1A piping tip. Because this is a meringue, the cupcake is best eaten the day of. If you want to have the cupcakes over the next couple of days, use my Swiss meringue buttercream that I will list below. I use a template, which I will link below, parchment paper, piping bags, and candy melt. I top off the Kuma with a little green crown like you would find on a strawberry. And here we have it, our finished kawaii strawberry cupcakes. Last tip. If you make the frosting and cupcake itself chocolate, it is so easy to make this into a strawberry chocolate cupcake Kuma. Like, share, and subscribe if this was helpful at all. I hope you have a sweet day, and goodbye from both of us. Bye! Billy B, hey, thank you so much for the feedback.